Number 1. 1999 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,299. This truck comes equipped with a dependable 5.3L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. With 200,000 original miles, it has served as a reliable daily driver over the years. The truck is a 4x4 with both high and low range, an extended cab, and a short bed, making it versatile for both work and personal use. It also includes a factory tow package, adding to its practicality. The exterior is finished in silver. While the truck still runs and drives, the transmission is beginning to slip between third and fourth gear and will need attention soon. For now, it remains operable, but continued driving without repair is not recommended. It comes with a clean title and a bill of sale ready for the next owner. Number 2. 1983 Chevrolet K10, price $9,000, with just 56,000 miles on the body and a powerful 454 big block engine featuring straight-cut timing gears. It delivers both strength and reliability. The motor itself has only 15,000 miles, and it's paired with a recently installed automatic transmission and transfer case, ensuring smooth performance on the road. Finished in black over a matching black interior, the truck was originally red but has since been repainted. While the paint is not flawless, it still presents very well from about 10 feet away. The body is exceptionally straight with no rust, aside from a small 3-inch spot behind the rear fender. Inside, it has been refreshed with a new bench seat, carpet, and steering wheel. While the exterior benefits from brand new wheels and tires, the K10 is equipped with dual working fuel tanks and remains mechanically sound, starting, running, and driving exactly as it should. A few minor cosmetic and functional items need attention, including a new radio head unit, windshield wiper motor, and seatbelt receivers. Number 3. 1977 Chevrolet 2500, price $10,000. Finished in a deep burgundy exterior with a clean gray interior, this truck presents a sharp and classic look. It underwent a full frame-off restoration, with everything carefully inspected and refreshed from top to bottom. Under the hood, it is powered by a GMC 350 V8 paired with an RC cam, a motor that has only 16,000 miles since being swapped in. This Chevy features dual fuel tanks for extended range, an 8-foot-long bed that makes it highly practical for hauling, and a straight, well-kept body that reflects the quality of its restoration. The interior remains clean and comfortable, showcasing the attention to detail given during the rebuild. While there is some minor rust on the fenders and the hood could benefit from a repaint. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds. Number 4. 1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,800. It has 147,000 miles on it and is powered by a dependable 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in green with a gray interior, this 2WD pickup runs and drives great. With no check engine light, the truck comes equipped with air conditioning and heat, power windows, power door locks, an AM/FM radio, and a cassette player. Inside, it features bucket seats with a center console, along with tilt steering, cruise control, a tachometer, and a well-kept headliner, carpet, and seating. The seat covers were only recently removed after protecting the original seats for 30 years, leaving the interior in remarkably good condition. Well cared for throughout its life, this Chevy 1500 was primarily used on a farm and has clearly been maintained with attention. Number 5. 1995 GMC 1500, price $3,500. It has covered 240,000 miles, yet it remains a strong and dependable truck. With an automatic transmission, a solid V8 engine, and a striking red exterior paired with a gray interior, it still reflects the rugged durability of the GMT 400 generation. The truck has recently received a fresh paint job that makes it look far newer than it is, while the body and frame remain impressively clean with no signs of rust. Its transmission shifts smoothly, and it carries the reputation of classic GMC reliability. Of course, like any older truck, it has its quirks. The blinkers are currently not working, leaving drivers to rely on old-fashioned hand signals, while the interior shows its years with plenty of character. There's also a minor oil leak, though nothing severe. Number 6. 1987 Ford F250, price $4,200, well-kept 2WD pickup that combines durability with classic late 80s style. Powered by the reliable 7.5L 460 carbureted V8 engine and paired with an automatic transmission, it delivers strong performance and smooth driving. The truck shows 128,000 miles, a modest figure for its age, and is known to run and drive great with plenty of miles left ahead. Its brown exterior is complemented by a matching brown interior, giving it a period-correct look that enthusiasts will appreciate. Running on gasoline, this F250 stands out as a dependable and capable truck, whether for work, hauling, or simply enjoying a classic American pickup on the road.
Number 7.
1986 Chevrolet S10, price $2,500. The original engine was replaced in 2021, and while the exact mileage is unknown, the estimate sits at around 110,000 miles. It runs and drives excellent, powered by the reliable 2.5L Iron Duke engine paired with a smooth 5-speed manual transmission that shifts cleanly with no grinds. The truck has received several updates to keep it both functional and enjoyable. A new clutch was installed recently, the tires are nearly new, and a new exhaust has been fitted.
Comfort and convenience haven't been overlooked either, with a hot working heater, a Bluetooth stereo system, and tinted windows.
For added visibility, aftermarket fog lights have also been installed. The glass is all intact with no cracks, and being rear-wheel drive, it offers the classic driving feel of a bare-bones pickup. Importantly, this S10 doesn't leak, burn oil, or overheat, making it a worry-free option for someone in search of a simple, reliable truck that's ready to go.
Number 8.
1969 Ford F250, price $4,250. It wears a white exterior with a turquoise interior and comes with a clean title and the original owner's manual. Recent updates include new tires, starter solenoid, starter motor, battery, spark plugs, distributor cap, rear view mirror glass, and a newer master cylinder. The carburetor has been freshly cleaned, so it starts right up, and both the transmission and brakes work as they should. Tool storage behind the bench seat adds a practical touch. It will need new exhaust manifold gaskets and some freeze plugs, but overall this truck remains a strong, classic workhorse.
A newly purchased full seat cover is also included. Number 9.
1995 GMC Sierra 1500, price $5,000. This truck comes with a smooth automatic transmission and has only 135,000 miles on it. Finished in a clean gray exterior, it runs on the reliable 5.0L engine, known to be a fuel saver. The truck is a 2WD and has been kept in excellent shape, with TOYO tires showing about 95% tread remaining. The interior is in great condition, free from unusual noises, and the ride is exceptionally smooth, one of the best transmissions in its class. It has also been fitted with a new radiator, ensuring dependable performance. The vehicle comes with a clean title, ready to transfer to its next owner.
Number 10.
1977 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,000. It has 78,000 miles on it and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in tan with a matching tan interior, the truck runs on gasoline and has been well cared for over the years.
It features dual fuel tanks, though the current owner primarily uses the driver's side tank.
The bed remains in excellent condition thanks to the previous owner, who consistently kept a canopy cover on and placed a rubber mat down for protection. Like many trucks of this era, it shows some rust in the typical areas, though nothing beyond what's expected for its age. Despite that, it runs very well, and the 4x4 system is fully functional, making it both a dependable driver and a solid classic truck.